Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host P5, aka Pull It From The Air. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, you already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go around, come back in camera, and we're going to do it like we're doing it for the movies. So let's do it. Oh, here comes the hammer. Oh, here comes the hammer. Alright guys, let me do the usual. You see what's, oh god, resplendent. Let me just give you a little RJ to the 12, the 12 to the RJ, the RJ to the 12. You already know how we do this. Guys, should we get into it? Let's get into it. Alright gang, so today we have this 1999 Polyfelt paper jacket. I mean, check the color on this. I mean, oh gosh, beautiful, gorgeous. Alright guys, should we get into it? Let's get into it. Like I said, this is a jacket from 1999. You know, some of you weren't even born then. But let's get into this beautiful thing. We're going to zip up and then we're going to start from where we like to start, which is the length of the jacket. Okay, so zipping up. Ooh. Okay guys, so there's my waist. And there's my waist, and as you can see, this comes just below the waist there. Really nice. Now guys, left hand side, right hand side, as you can see, short cuffages here. You know, a bit boxy. I can live with that, not a problem. You know, when I want to show my ankle game, my wrist game, and showing people my wrist game is strong. Pause. You know what I'm saying? Just pause guys. Anyway, you know, feeling like a Shaolin monk, feeling like a kung fu master, whatever. You see the top. Anyway, beautiful color guys, resplendent. If you feel this is like really, really delicate. Like I said, it's a polyfelt paper kind of like material. So yeah, it feels just like that. Okay guys, left hand side, right hand side, equilibrium here, not a beautiful thing. You have this zipped pocket right here, but not on the other side. Let me just zip this down so you can see. Oops, there you go. So zip it down, hand in the pocket. It works the other way, so it doesn't work this way, it works this way. You can't really put much in there. You maybe put a few bars of gold, couple bars of silver, not too much. You put that in and you're good to go. Really soft inner there, super dope, super nice. Nice zip. Of course, you got your pull tab right there. Really, really dope. If I step back, left hand side, right hand side, equilibrium, same beautiful thing. Really dope, of course. Now you got these pockets fastened by the Velcro. Let me just show you right now. Super nice. Put your hands in the skyrocket, walking down the street. Perfect positioning, not bad at all. Of course, you got your zip strip right there. Boom, covered by this the polyfelt material. Once again, super nice. You got your drawstrings. Oops, wherever they are. Can I see them? No, I might have made that up, guys. You don't have a drawstring. I'm imagining things. But let's have a look at the hood. The hood, shall I say. If it rains, tappity tap tap, you're okay, but if it pisses down, you're fucked. You know, of course you can have that adjustment right there with that Velcro strap. Super dope, super nice. Yeah, really, really nice guys. It's not going to save you from the rain or any elements. It's super thin, but it's a really nice. Alright guys, let's take this off just so we can see the inners. Unfortunately, this, I'll show you, look, it's probably left its remnants on the back, maybe not. But okay, so this has been stripped it seems, and as you can see, I need to check in with my guy Aaron just to find out. Shout out Section 18 by the way, fast delivery, amazing prices. Shout out my guy Aaron. Yeah, I got this off them, really, really dope. But as you can see, that furriness, can you see it? Could leave a lot of stuff on the whatever you're wearing underneath. But I'm gonna get a shaver and just shave this down like I'm shaving my hairy. I'll stop right there. Anyway, as you can see, look at the color guys, look at that. You got the Stone Island there, you've got made in Italy. I really love this piece. Look at the hood, you got some elasticated bits around it. As you can see, some poppers which will allow you to fasten. It's just a really, really nice piece guys. Let me just show you the back. Look at the material, man. Look at the material. It's fucking gorgeous. Pardon my French, but look at the material. And of course guys, nothing beats a green edge green, edgy green badge. Super dope, super nice guys. Not much more to say other than this has been a 1999 Polyfelt paper jacket by Stone Island. Vintage, as you can see, beautiful color. I hope the camera's catching that color and the detailing on that. And yeah, I've been your boy P5 Fire, aka P is for Polyfelt, aka P is for Paper Jacket, and this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, this has been Once, we're not the same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Yeah, and guys, stay dope, stay fly. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace.